Yes.
Yes. Population improvement is a accumulation of desirable allele in a population through various breeding techniques. Is known as a population improvement. Population was earliest the method applied to cross-pollinated crop. It deals with the improvement of the crop and production of the new crop variety, which are for superior and existing type in all character. The result of population improvement lead to higher yield, agronomical, more stable, resistant disease, insect, drought and frost, flood and alkaline, saline condition, improve the quality of produce, the such as size, color, shape, and taste or nutritional value. The different breeding methods are being used in different crops to improve the genotype of the crop based on the mode of pollination. The mode of pollination, different crop, the self-pollinated crop and cross-pollinated crop, and often cross-pollinated crop and vegetative propagated crop. The breeding method followed the based on the mode of pollination. In the self-pollinated crop, the plant introduction, mass selection, pure line selection, pedigree method, bulk method, single seed descent method, backcross method, heterosis breeding, mutation breeding, polyploidy and distant hybridization, transgressive breeding. These breeding methods are used in self-pollinated crops, and in second, the cross-pollinated crop, the plant introduction and mass selection, recurrent selection, synthetic varieties, composite varieties, backcross method, heterosis breeding, polyploidy breeding, and distant hybridization, and transgenic breeding is applied in cross-pollinated crops. In vegetative propagated crop, these breeding method is utilized by plant breeder. The individual, the population and individual plant of the material of in different types, the individual homozygous and it is population is homogeneous, and heterozygous individual plant and these population are homogeneous, and homozygous and heterogeneous types, and heterozygous and heterogeneous population. The different types of the genetic population in plant breeding, the homozygous, the non-segregating population, these including the pure lines, inbred lines, mass selected, autonomous varieties, and multi-lines. These are the homozygous individual. These material are non-segregating in the selfing, and second, the heterozygous individual population segregated on selfing. In this individual, the population segregate on selfing. That is, it include F1 hybrid, composite varieties, and synthetic and a clones. Homogeneous is genetically similar population. That is pure lines, inbred lines, and F1 hybrid progeny of a clone. Heterogeneous means genetically dissimilar population. Landrace is composite and synthetic and multi-line varieties. Homogeneous and homozygous and homogeneous is a genetically similar and non-segregation population. This is a pure line and inbred line. Heterozygous and homogeneous, genetically dissimilar but segregating on selfing. F1 hybrid between the inbred lines and progeny of the clones. The homozygous and heterogeneous, genetically dissimilar but segregating population, the multi-line and mass selection varieties in autogamous species. The heterozygous and the heterogeneous is genetically dissimilar and segregating population, synthetic, composite, and synthetic varieties. The characteristic of the cross-pollinated crop. The cross-pollinated crop, each genotype has equal chance of mating with the all other genotypes. Individuals are heterozygous in nature and a high degree of inbreeding depression. And cross-pollinated is wide adaptability and more flexibility to environmental change due to the heterozygosity and heterogeneity. Cross-pollination permit the new gene recombination from different sources. Individuals have the deleterious receive which the concealed by the masking effect or deleterious effect. Focus on breeding the cross-pollinated crops, population improvement, heterozygosity, quantitative traits to predominance a desirable genotypes in a population, arising new genotypes and gene combination. The population improvement, the basically divided to category. The first is progeny selection, without progeny selection or with progeny selection. Without progeny selection, including mass selection, and with progeny selection, ear to row method and recurrent selection. The brief description of the various schemes applied for population improvement. Intra-population improvement, within population improvement through the mass selection. In the mass selection, the selected plant selection based on the phenotype of individual plant and selected plant are reproduced by open pollination. A different modification for one sex. Inferior plant present in the population are detasseled. The open pollination among the remain plant. For the both sex, all plant in the population allowed to produce the pollen and open pollination without any restriction. Stratified selection, the field divided into a small plot, about 40 plants are selected each plot. Selection with the small plot and open pollination without any restriction. The selection usually for one sex only. The contiguous control the plant of a single genotypes used as a check and plant after every 2 and 4 years of comparison to check the plant detasseled and other plant open pollinated. Half sheaf selection. Second is family selection. In the half sheaf, in family selection, half sheaf, the plant within each family, half sheaf means one parent is in common. Heir to row selection, the family produced by open pollination selection within superior families, no replicated trials, unrestricted open pollination among all the families. Modified heir to row selection, as in heir to row superior progeny identified by replicated ill trials, pollination source a random bulk of all families. Half sheaf selection, as in the modified heir to row, but only superior progeny planted in a crossing block and allowed to open pollinate. Modified half sheaf family, half sheaf used for yield trial. S1 is a first generation of selfing family from the plant produced the superior half sheaf intermating through the open pollination. Broad-based test cross. The half sheaf family produced by the crossing the selected plant to a tester with broad genetic base. The parental and unrelated used for yield trial. The S1 progeny from plant produce superior half sheaf family intermediate, and it is a similar to recurrent selection for GCA. In narrow genetic base, in this narrow genetic base tester used for recurrent selection for SCA. The full sheaf family selection, the plant within each family are full sheaf produced by mating the selected plant in pairs. The full sheaf intermediate, the full sheaf used for yield trial, superior full sheaf intermediate, S1 progeny intermediate, full sheaf used for yield For yield trial and S1 progeny from the plant produced the superior full sheep intermediate. Inbreeding of the selfed family produced by selfing S1 or S2. First generation of selfing is denoted by S1 and second generation of selfing is denoted by S2. Family produced by one generation of selfing used for evaluation. The superior family intermediate is similar to simple recurrent selection. At the family produced by two generation of selfing used for evaluation, superior family is intermediate. Interpopulation improvement through two methods. Two population improve simultaneously for combining ability with each other. The half-sheep reciprocal recurrent selection, reciprocal with half-sheep progeny, and full-sheep reciprocal recurrent selection, full-sheep reciprocal recurrent selection. Each selected plant in the population A and is selfed. Each selected plant from A is test crossed with the one selected plant from B. The test cross progeny are evaluated in the field trial as one family or population from A producing superior test cross progeny are intermediate. The same is repeated in the B and A plant of the two populations. The mass selection in the mass selection, the several plants are selected on the basis of phenotype and open pollinated in the population. The open pollinated seed from the selected plant are harvested and bulked. This is a first year or first selection cycle. The second year, the bulked seed from the selected plant grown and mass selection may be repeated. First cycle of the mass selection, and after that they repeated first and second year. The merit and demerit of mass selection. Selection is in the mass selection. Selection is extremely simple and rapid, and selection cycle is very short, only in one generation. Highly efficient to improve the easily identifiable and high heritability character like plant height, size of ear, and date of maturity. With proper care, it effective to improve the yield as well. The most cross-pollinated crops have a high additive component of genetic variance, which respond to selection. Extensive yield trial are not required as improved and likely similar to original population. Demerit of mass selection. The selection based on superiority is a poor basis of the selection. The both superior and inferior plant present because of the open pollination so reduce the effectiveness of the selection. The high selection intensity reduce the population size, lead to inbreeding depression. Stratified mass selection. This is suggested by Gardner in 1961. Also, as a grid method of mass selection, entire field is divided into small plot, each having 40-50 plants selected, and superior plants are selected in each small plot, and seed are selected and composite to raise the next generation. The achievement of A2 selection, in palmlate these variety developed and rye, soya, and maize, cotton. Year to row method. In this method, the plants is selected on the basis of phenotype and open pollinated seed from each plant harvested separately. The first cycle is complete, and after that, the second year, the small progeny grow from the selected plant and superior progeny identified and selected and plant allowed to open pollinated. Seed is harvested separately as same repeat in third year and next generation. The modification of the air to row method. In this method, progeny the plant selected on the basis of phenotype and open pollinated seed from each plant harvested separately. In second year, the small progeny grow from the selected plant. Second, the superior progeny identified the remaining seed from the plant selected in the first year, producing the superior progeny bulk to raise the next generation in the third year. The bulk seed second year plant allowed to open pollinated plant with the superior phenotype selected and seed harvested separately. The merit of progeny selection it is the more dependable reflection of the genotype worth of the selected plant than their phenotype. It is more efficient, improve the yield ability of the open pollinated variety of maize. It avoids the inbreeding depression if the sufficient large amount of the progeny are taken and if the selected plant are not closely related. The relatively simple and easy, but the some modifications are complicated and tedious. The demerit of the progeny selection, the most of the progeny allowed to open pollinate, so selection is based on the maternal parent only, which will reduce the efficiency of the selection. Scheme are the complicated and involve the considerable work. The selection cycle usually 2 years, and each selection cycle takes the twice as a much mass selection. The recurrent selection. Recurrent selection is defined as a reselection generation after generation with the inbreeding of the selected to provide the genetic recombination identified by Hull in 1945. It increased the frequency of the favorable gene for quantitative traits. Identification, it identified the genotype, superior genotype for the specific quantitative character being improved, and subsequently intermating of the superior genotype to obtain the new gene combination. Cycle may be repeated as long as superior genotype processing the gene for character to interest are generated. Recurrent selection are on the basis of the plant phenotypic and genotypic. The phenotypic recurrent selection it improve the plant quantitative character based on the visual operation, physical measurement of the character. That is, his character, oil content in the corn and fiber strength in cotton. The genotypic recurrent selection, it is the selection to improve the plant quantitative character based on progeny performance as measured by test crosses or by other means, and is utilized to improve the complex characters such as combining ability in corn inbred line. The simple recurrent selection. Simple recurrent selection. Types of recurrent selection does not include the tester is referred the simple recurrent selection is phenotypic. It is also known as a phenotypic recurrent selection. This method extension of the mass selection. In this, the first year, the superior plant for the character under the improvement are selected from the heterogeneous race population. These plants are grown from the progeny, and the cross seed is bulked in the equal quantity. This is completed cycle, original cycle of selection. In the third year, the bulk seed is grown and superior plant are selected and set like the first year, like the first year. And in fourth year, the individual plant progeny are planted, all possible intercross are made, and seed are composite in the first recurrent selection cycle. The recurrent selection for GCA in the form of recurrent selection, this is used to improve the general combining ability of a population for a character, include the heterozygous tester is referred to recurrent selection for GCA. It is also known the half-shift recurrent selection with the heterozygous tester. This extension of genes, the development of the short-term synthetic. In this method, first year, the superior plant are selected from the base population. The selected plant are served and also crossed to heterozygous tester having the broad genetic base and serve and keep the cold storage. In the second year, the cross seed is shown to and combining ability of the selected plant is evaluated in and plant and with the good general combine ability are identified. In the third year, the progeny of selected plant with the good GCA are the grown from their self seed kept in the cold storage. These progeny are intermated in all possible combination and their cross seed is composite to form a new source of population for the further selection. This complete the original selection cycle. In the same way, the another cycle can be completed in the 3 year 4 to 6. The recurrent selection for SCA, it is a similar procedure of the recurrent selection for GCA. In this method, only tester use the homozygous tester is used, and the homozygous tester used. This method was originally proposed by Hull in 1945. The selection procedures of this method is same for the recurrent selection for recurrent selection for GCA, and inbred is a tester is homozygous used as a inbred. Comparison of the recurrent selection for GCA and SCA. The application used is increase the polygenic traits, and also it is used in increase the polygenic traits. And the basis for selection, the test cross performance, it is used for test cross performance. It is also used the test cross performance, and tester used in this GCA recurrent selection for GCA heterozygous tester use, and in homozygous tester use. Effectiveness of the recurrent selection for GCA is more effective in incomplete dominance, and it is the completed and overcompleted dominance. Condition used when the additive gene action present and non-additive gene action for SCA selection. The use of improved SCA, and it is user character SCA character. The reciprocal recurrent selection, a form of recurrent selection that is used to improve the GCA and SCA of a population for character using the two heterozygous tester is known as a reciprocal recurrent selection. It is also termed as a recurrent reciprocal half-shift selection. In this, the first year, the several phenotypically superior plant are selected from population A and B. The pollen of the some selected plant of a population is used to cross the large number of the randomly selected plant of the population B. Similarly, the pollen of the some selected plant of B population is used to cross the large number of the plant population. The all of the plant, the population A and B use a pollen parent in the crosses or cell. In the second year, the progeny of the test cross made with the pollen parent of A and B population are evaluated in the separate replication trial. The superior progeny are identified. In third year, the self seed of those A and B plant whose the progeny were found the superior in the replicated trial are grown in separate block, and all possible crosses are made among the progeny of A plant and also among the progeny B plant. The crossed seed of A block and are composed to equal quantity of the raise and A1 generation, and cross the selected of B block to bulk to raise the B1 generation. It is the original selection cycle, and in fourth year, the A1 and AB population are grown from the composite growth seed respective population original the third year, and next fifth year the operation of the second year are repeated. The merit of recurrent selection method, the efficient method to increase the frequency of the superior gene in a population. It helps in maintain the high genetic variability in the population due to the repeated intermating of heterozygous population. The selection is based on the test cross performance, and only selected plants are allowed for intermating. The demerit of the recurrent selection, it involves the loads of the selection, crossing, and selfing work. They permit the selfing which lead to loss of the genetic variability. It is not directly used to develop the new variety. The comparison among the different recurrent selection scheme. When the dominance is incomplete, the reciprocal recurrent selection and recurrent selection for GCA would be compared in their effectiveness, and both will be superior to recurrent selection for SCA. When the dominance is complete, the three methods would be equally effective. When the dominance is over dominance, the reciprocal recurrent selection and reciprocal recurrent selection for SCA would be equally effective, but both would be more effective than recurrent selection for GCA. The above relationship are expected. The above relationship are expected when there the epistasis, multiple alleles, and linkage disequilibrium are absent. In most crop species, the epistasis is important and linkage disequilibrium and multiple alleles are linked to present. In such cases, reciprocal recurrent selection would be superior to reciprocal recurrent selection for GCA and SCA. In all practical situations, the reciprocal recurrent selection would be superior to both selection. In full shift selection, the crosses are made between the selected pairs of the plant in the source population and with the crossed seed used for progeny test and for reconstituting the new population. In the first year, the crosses 150-200 pairs of the plant selected from the source population, and reciprocal crosses may be made to provide the large quantity of the crossed seed. In the second season, they grow a replicated progeny test with seed from each pair of crosses, keeping the remnant crossed seed. In third season, the reconstitute the source of population by mixing the equal quantity of the remnant cross seed from 15 to 20 phase crosses with superior progeny performance and grow in isolation with the open pollination to obtain the new gene combination. This is a diagrammatic representation of full ship recurrent selection, and in selection from the S1 progeny test. In S1 referred to progeny following the self-pollination of the plant in an open pollinated population or in the F2 following process. In first season, the select 50 to 100 plants from the source nursery prior to flowering. The self-pollinated and harvest self-seed from the selected plants. In second season, the grow the replicated S1 progeny trial. In the remaining, the seeds. Third season, decompose the equal quantity of the remnant seed from the S1 plant with the superior progeny and grow the seed concentrate to isolation, obtain the new gene combination. This is the diagrammatic representation. And synthetic variety. Synthetic variety is produced by crossing in all combination a number of lines that combine well with each other is known as synthetic variety. It is maintained by open pollination in the isolation field, and the line may be inbred clones and open pollinated variety, and the end product of the recurrent selection are already tested for GCA. GCA are generally used to constitute the synthetic variety, and 5 to 8 good GCA inbred are used for synthetic variety. The procedure method of develop the synthetic variety. The two method, the equal seed from the all lines mixed and planted in isolation, and open pollinated the seed harvest as the synthetic variety. In second method, the parental line are placed in a crossing block and all possible intercrosses are made. The equal seed from the all crosses mixed to produce the synthetic variety. These are synthetic variety in sugar beet and in bajra, synthetic 3, cauliflower, maize, barun, and composite variety. The mixing the seed of several phenotypical outstanding lines produce a composite variety. Outstanding line may be germplasm, inbreds, varieties, hybrid, advanced generation lines, rarely tested for general combining ability, maintained by open pollination in isolation field. Farmer can be used their own seed for 3 to 4 years. The procedure of composite variety. Select the line producing the desirable character and seed of desirable character mixed together and random mating 4 to 5 generations. Uniform population are tested in replicated trials, and high-yielding lines are used as a composite variety. These composite variety in maize, amba, jawar, and bajra, WCC 75. The difference between synthetic variety and composite variety, the crossing in all combination of numbers of lines that combine the well with each other. In composite variety, mixing the seed of several phenotypically outstanding lines and encouraging the open pollination to produce the crosses in all combination among the lines. It is used the 4 to 10 number of parents are involved. In many parents are involved. It is tested for GCA. It is not tested GCA. Cost of less than composite variety. The cost of the seed is less than hybrid, and it show the less heterosis than hybrid, and it show the more heterosis than synthetic. The reconstitute is done. Reconstitute is never done. The maintenance of the variety easy and maintenance variety is difficult. And conclusion, the improvement population resulting from the various schemes are excellently source of good inbred lines. Such as populations may be expected to become the increasingly important in the future.